The creator economy, the passion economy, the rise of influencers, whatever you want to call it, it all boils down to one thing. People quitting their day jobs to make content, build an audience, and live the dream. But how do people actually turn a social media following into a profitable business? In this video, we'll break down the old way and shine a light on the newest way entrepreneurs are turning followings into real, respectable businesses. Don't have 1 million+ people hanging on your every tweet or Instagram story? Don't worry, this new way is perfect for you, even if you only have 100 followers. So how do most people make money from social media today? There are two main ways. A brand can sponsor you to promote their product or services, or you can get paid because you get so many views on your content that companies pay to serve ads on it. Both of those methods require a large audience. In order to get a sponsor for Instagram, you typically need at least 5,000 followers. And even then, companies may want to pay you in product, so you should probably keep your day job. If you want companies to be able to show ads on your content, for instance on YouTube, you'll typically need 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time in order to even be eligible. And if you crack the viral content code and create a video that 1 million people watch, you can net about $4,000. So depending on your rent, you'll need to duplicate that breakout success every month. Chances are you click this video to find other ways, right? Well, some companies are trying something new where they create funds to incentivize creators to post new content. However, this still seems to benefit people with large followings and amounts of views, and there's not much clarity about how to get the money. One TikTok creator said she only made $70 from a video that got 6 million views. While the funds are interesting experiments, they're hard to plan a business or life around. So what's the answer? It's not something new, it's actually something really old. It's why social media exists in the first place. People love community. They want to come together to connect with people, to learn new skills, to offer their expertise and encouragement and receive it from others, to celebrate when they're happy and find support when they're struggling. While social media was built off of this need, it's become something else entirely. So it's time for a new way to create community online. It's called a Mighty Network. It's a place an entrepreneur or creator can customize to their brand and mission and then invite in the people who need that safe space. It's like a social network you own, top to bottom. It even comes with an app. And it's built to allow you to add online courses, paid memberships, events, and subgroups. And that's the new way thousands of entrepreneurs are pivoting their social media followers into sustainable businesses. Step 1. Create your community via the Mighty Network 14-day free trial. Start with why you're bringing your followers together. Step 2. Decide what you'll charge. Yes, charge. This is a private space for your followers to not only connect with you, but with each other. And people pay attention to what they pay for, and you want the most engaged community members you can get. Set your membership as a monthly or annual subscription so you can plan for recurring, consistent revenue. Step 3. Offer additional bonuses like online courses, private events, mastermind groups. Your business can scale as you learn more about what your community wants. Step 4. Let your followers know you're launching something new. It's special, it's different, and distraction-free. They're going to love it, and you're going to be able to give them so much more once you're all off the social media roller coaster. And the math works, even if you're not a Kardashian. Here's just 2 examples. Lauren Ash started her membership site, The Circle by Black Girl Own. She has about 200 members in her private space, and her annual plan is just about $500 for almost $100,000 in annual revenue. Don't want to charge a premium? Ryder Carroll took his bullet journaling Facebook group to a paid membership site that costs just $5 a month. With over 750 members, that's almost $50,000 a year. So here's the recap. Think about the type of paid membership experience you can offer even just a handful of your social media followers. Then, instead of trying to grow a huge audience on a platform that will pay you in pennies or products, take control and create a paid community as the foundation of your business. You'll be putting your time and resources into something you own, and there's no limit to where you can take things. Visit mightynetworks.com to start a free trial today and read more case studies.